Welcome everybody back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel, where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how to make money online. So if those things interest you, go ahead and smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. It helps us out greatly in the YouTube algorithm. It really does a huge deal. So go ahead and do that for us, and we are going to get right into the video. Before I get into the Experian secret lenders list, okay, that you guys are waiting for, click on the description below and you can find our private Facebook group. And then also I'll put links to the TransUnion secret lenders list and the Equifax secret lenders list, so that way you guys can get caught up on that as well. The biggest caveat, the biggest thing I want to address before I go over this lenders list is not just give you all this information, but why it's important, okay? If you guys don't know what the data points are, what the criteria is for the credit institution that you're trying to apply to, then you're going to lose every time. You're going to be wasting time. You're not going to be taking full advantage of your credit, okay? And so the part of the thing is knowing the rules and how to play them, and then so you know how to win, okay? And so these secret lenders lists are out amongst people that do credit repair and people that are in the financial industry. And I got my hands on it, and I wanted to be able to give it back to my people for free, okay? So if you subscribe to this channel, I'm only giving you free content. Like, I'm not selling you a course. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing that. This is all free financial advice that you can refer to anytime, refer people to it so they can enjoy and grow from the videos. There's playlists that I'm creating, so that way you guys can binge watch some of these different topics that you're trying to learn, with how to repair credit, how to restore credit, how to build credit, how to get business credit, no credit check products, things like that. So I want you guys to know all of that. So if it's your first time stopping by, this is a ton of value for you. We actually upload every single day. So you want to make sure that you're linked in and subscribed to this channel, okay? This is unadulterated information. I make money off of ads. So you watch some ads and you like and comment on my videos and subscribe. That's all I ask you to do, okay? Otherwise, everything is all for you, okay? So let's get into this secret lenders list with Experian. Like I said, I will list the links to the videos for Equifax and TransUnion below. I will also put all of these lenders in the description as well below, so that way you guys can just look at it, copy and paste it to a Word document so you guys can have it, okay? All right, so we got Amex, American Express pulling from Experian. We got Barclay card, Apple Reward. That card is no longer available, but that's what they were pulling from. We got BMW Financial Services with Experian. BMW Financial Spirits with Experian. Yep, let's see here. We got Capital One Auto Finance with Experian and Equifax. We got Capital One Auto Finance, Experian again. Let's see here. We got the Capital One Quicksilver card. It looks like they're pulling from Experian. Capital One Venture card is pulling with Experian. We got CBNA credit card. That's with Experian and Equifax. We got the Centric Credit Union Visa, Experian. We got Chase Bank with Experian and Equifax. Caveat with Chase Bank, like I said in the Equifax video, they pull from all three. It just depends on what product you're applying for. Okay, so I'm going to name off some different Chase products, but primarily they go off of Experian, but they could hit you with some of the other ones. Okay, Chase, Experian, like I said, Chase Amazon Rewards, Experian, Chase Freedom, Experian, Chase Ink Bold, Experian, Chase Sapphire Preferred, Experian, Southwest Plus, Experian, Chase Amazon Rewards, Experian, the Chase Freedom Card, Experian, Chase Ink Bold, Experian. So a lot of these are Experian from Chase. Chase Sapphire Preferred, that'll be Experian. Southwest Plus, Experian. Chase United Explorer, Experian. We got, finally off of the Chase cards, we got the Citi American Airlines Platinum, Experian. We've got the Citi Double Cash and Citi Thank You Premier, Experian. We've got Credco Auto Reseller, Experian and TransUnion. Like I said in the TransUnion video, Credco is like the credit union thing that when you apply for a vehicle or try to get a vehicle from a dealership and they run it to credit unions, they do like Credco, and it's like a portal where all the credit unions can like bid on it and stuff like that. So that's what you see there. That's what Credco is, just so you guys know if you guys are curious. We got, bear with me, guys. Bear with me. I'm just reading this stuff off here. We got the Delta Sky Miles Gold with Amex, Experian. We got the Digital Credit Union DCU. Personal loans are Experian. Digital Credit Union Auto Loan is Experian. We got Discover It's Experian. Drive Finance, Auto Financing is Experian and TransUnion. We've got the Fidelity Amex Investment Rewards, that's Experian. We got the Fidelity Investment Rewards Visa Signature, that's Experian. We got the First Bank Saving Star Amex, that's Experian. We got the FNBO, First National Bank of Omaha, that's what that stands for. The NRA card, that's Experian. Some people like that, some people don't. Let's see here. We got the Greater Texas FCU, that's Experian. We got the Jared and Sterling card, that's Experian. We got the J. Crew card, that's Experian. We got the Kohl's card, that's Experian. We got the Lexus Financial Services, that's Experian. Let me put my glasses on, guys. Sorry, it's taking me so long. We got the Macy's card, Experian. The NASA FCU Platinum Rewards, that's Experian. NASA Visa Platinum Cash Rewards, Experian. NFCU Go Rewards Visa, that's Experian. We got Nordstrom, Experian. Overstock.com, Community Bank, Experian. The PEX card, Experian. PNC Bank, Experian. We got Sam's Club, Experian. Restoration Hardware, great card. That's what helped me build my credit, Experian. We got Sportsman Guide, Community Bank, Experian. TD Bank, Experian. True Value Community Bank, Experian. Tempur-Pedic, Wells Fargo Financial National Bank, Experian. USAA, Experian. We got the Victoria's Secret, Experian. And then we got Wells Fargo Auto Finance, Experian. And we got a lot of these other ones here, like Lake Michigan Credit Unions, Experian. And I will list these in the description below. All right, guys, before I end this video, because we've been going on like 8 minutes already, Experian is going to be the big boy that people pull from, and there's a big reason for that, because they're the fastest ones that updates. They're buying out a lot of the third party or the data collectors. They're really monopolizing quickly. They're just a very front leaning progressive credit bureau, and so a lot of people like to go through Experian. So they are, the good news is, like I said, they're the fastest to update. I'm going to put links, like I said, to all these along with the TransUnion and Equifax video below. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. I've got brand new videos coming tomorrow. You don't want to miss it. Releasing a lot of great content. I'm trying to find all the best questions on the internet about credit and just give you the information. Totally free. All right, guys. Join the Facebook group. Like, comment, subscribe. Love you guys. Take care. Peace.